Hey everyone, welcome back to HowToHub. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to create a RedNote account and get started with this exciting app. RedNote is a fun alternative to TikTok, and I'll make it super easy for you to join in on the action. So let's dive in. First, download the RedNote app from your app store. Just search for RedNote, that's one word, and look for the app with a red logo so it's easy to spot. Once you've downloaded and installed it, open it up to get started. When you open the app, you'll see an option to log in or create an account. Now, there are two main ways to create an account, using your phone number or your Apple ID. If you choose to use your phone number, first, check the box to agree to the terms and conditions and make sure to read through them. Then, enter your phone number. If you're in the US, select America with the +1 code. If you are in another country, select your own code. The app won't list in Find Pakistan, so make sure to select Pakistan specifically. Once you've entered your phone number, you'll receive a verification PIN. Enter the PIN and you're good to go. If you prefer using your Apple ID, that's also an option. Simply log in with your Apple account, and you can even choose to hide your email if you'd like added privacy. Both methods work, so pick whichever one works best for you. Next, let's set up your profile. Feel free to choose as many as you like. Once you're done, tap Start Exploring, and just like that, you're in. Now that you're in, let me quickly show you how to navigate the app. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see several buttons. There's the Home button to browse your personalized feed. Then there's a search option where you can look for videos or creators. If you want to upload your own videos, you can tap the plus icon. Next, the app's interface is super similar to TikTok. You can scroll through videos, like, comment, save, and share them. It's all really intuitive, and you'll feel right at home if you've used apps like this before. And that's it. You're all set to explore RedNote and start enjoying amazing content or creating your own. It's super simple to use and packed with fun features. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to HowToHub for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Let me know if you need anything else.